$13 every 30 minutes is how much I'm able to make with this CPA marketing strategy, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. Or that equals to $624 every 24 hours. As you can see on my screen, I've been able to generate $624 today, and this month $2,900 so far with this brand new CPA marketing strategy. Now, what I love most about the strategy is that it's 100% for free. You don't need any previous experience, and you can be from anywhere in the world. Now, hundreds of affiliates worldwide are absolutely killing it with this strategy, so make sure to watch this entire video so you guys can go ahead and start implementing this method right after this video. Now, before I hop into my computer, make sure to subscribe if you're new to this channel and like this video if you want more awesome content just like this. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into my computer. So the very first thing that you need to do is sign up to CPA Lead. Now, CPA Lead is a CPA network where you can promote various offers. All you need to do is register for free as an affiliate, and then you can go over to the offer section right here, and here you can find various offers. For example, this offer right here, earn cash by taking surveys, will pay you 61 cents per each valid referral. And the best part is that the person that lands on your affiliate URL doesn't have to purchase anything. All they have to do is submit a simple survey and you're going to be paid 60 cents. Or for example, this one right here is going to pay you $1.22 per referral. Many of you guys don't know about this awesome feature on CPA Lead is when you click on links right here. This is a special place where you can promote various games online, okay? And this can be something like GTA 5, Fortnite, Minecraft, and Roblox. A lot of you guys have played GTA 5 or Fortnite in the past, and there are millions of monthly players on various platforms like PC, PS4, or Xbox that actively play these games. Now, inside these games, you can implement various, glitches, infinite money hacks. For example, GTA 5 right here, solo money duplication in GTA 5 for all consoles. So you can promote this type of offer and you can target GTA 5 players. Or you can go over to Fortnite, okay? And you can promote, for example, quick fortifying your XP in chapter 6. So chances are that a lot of people playing these games on Fortnite, like Fortnite or GTA 5, will be interested in getting an infinite money glitch or, XP boost or whatever that is. Now, don't worry, you can target anyone in the world, right? So this is not like a specific geo targeting, like you have to target people only inside the United States. But the best part is that these offers have content lockers inside, right? So if anybody in the world, right, from India or USA lands on this offer, they will automatically get a offer suitable for their geolocation. So you can promote this link worldwide to anyone and you're still gonna make money, okay? So to grab a link, all you have to do is just click on it and click on copy URL. So let me show you how this works. I'm gonna open a new tab, paste it inside here. And as you can see, guys, this is the landing page. And when I click on this button to download the XP boost, right, you can see a content locker appears suitable for my geolocation, and currently I'm in Slovakia. So when I complete one of these offers, right, so this can be like a game install or a survey or a quiz, right, I'm gonna get paid. So all you have to do is promote this simple URL and you're gonna be paid every time somebody lands on this page and completes one of these offers. So as simple as that. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is how to get people to sign up to this specific offer, okay? So grabbing the link and signing up is super easy, but now comes the fun part where you're actually going to make money. Because without getting people to your landing page, you're never going to make money. So this is the important part. Make sure not to skip forward. So let me guys show you how to get people to sign up to your offers. And don't worry, it's 100% for free. Now, before I move forward, I want to mention my Super Affiliate Academy School community. Now, if you want to be serious about making money online and you actually want to start your own journey with free or paid marketing strategies, then make sure to check out the Super Affiliate Academy, which is going to be in the link below in the description. We currently have 58 active members. Now inside this community, I host all of my paid courses. So with a monthly fee of $20, guys, this is just 20 bucks per month, you can get access to all of my courses and case studies that are going to be launched in the future. So right now inside we have CPA Video Academy. So this is a paid traffic course. And we also have the Affiliate Escape Plan. This is my flagship affiliate marketing course. As you can see, it has so many different types of training videos that I teach on free marketing strategies. So if you want to learn more about CPA and affiliate marketing, make sure to click the link in the description below. You're going to get access to all of my courses, case studies, weekly training videos. You can message me anytime you want, guys. As you can see, you can message me here and I reply within 24 hours. So the value is absolutely huge and the price is going to be increasing at 75 members. Currently we have 58. So guys, make sure to click the link in the description, sign up, tons of value for a tiny monthly subscription fee. So now I'm going to show you how to promote this offer online, and don't worry, you don't have to create any videos yourself. I'm going to show you how to do it in a matter of minutes. So the website that you want to use for creating content is SEOwriting.ai. Now this is a platform that's going to create a one-click blog post for you in a matter of minutes that you can use to promote your affiliate offers online. So let me show you how this works. So first of all, you want to sign up for a free account. You want to click on one-click blog post. And here what I like to do is I like to enter secrets to Fortnite. All right, and now you can click on generate a title. All right, so this is the title for our blog post. Now you want to scroll down. You can change the language, but let's keep it to English. You can change the article size from small to large. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it medium. Now you want to change the humanized text to 5th grade or 6th grade. All right, I like to do 5th grade because kids most of the times play these types of games. You want to scroll down, okay, just like this. You can also change the tone of the voice. I like to go with friendly. I want to target the country United States because this will give me the highest payouts. Inside the media hub, I want to click on AI images, yes, number images 3. And for the YouTube videos, I'm going to click on yes, one video, and I'm going to click on alternate image and video. For the SEO, here you want to type your SEO keywords for search engine optimization so people can find your blog post. So you want to add your keywords like Fortnite, right? Fortnite gameplay, Fortnite tutorial, and keywords like this. Now to find some awesome keywords for your blog post, all you have to do is go to YouTube, search for Fortnite, and when you click on space, you can see that these are like the top search terms for Fortnite. So as you can see, Fortnite XP glitch. So this is the exact keyword we want to target. So you want to find these types of keywords and just post them in your SEO section, right? Just like this. Now I recommend adding at least 10 to 15 keywords. Now you want to scroll down, you want to leave this blank. Okay, so don't do anything here. And now you want to click on connect to web and click on yes. And since we are promoting a game, I'm going to click on search source, real-time search. Okay, so this option right here is going to give us all of the information about Fortnite glitches and Fortnite, XP boost and stuff like that without having to do anything. Now you want to scroll down, and here, this is also important syndication. So if you click on, for example, Pinterest pin, and you click on yes, then this tool is automatically going to create a piece of content for Pinterest, right? So you can go, I'm going to go with Pinterest, and now you can scroll up. So we have yes, and you can click on run. So as you can see, it's loading, and currently it's building up the content for us. Now the place where we're going to be placing this piece of content is medium.com. So head over to medium.com, and for you guys that are not familiar with this website, this is basically a website where you can start uploading any piece of content 100% for free, and it has millions of monthly users that can find your content, read it, and potentially click on the URL that you're promoting. So this is an awesome place to promote your affiliate URLs online, but you have to go about this the right way. All right, you don't want to spam your affiliate URLs, your CPA links on Medium. You want to build a piece of content that's going to give value and at the same time promoting your affiliate URL. And let me just show you how this works. So you can search for something like Fortnite, okay? And when you click on Fortnite and you scroll down, you can see that people are making money with this strategy. So XP glitches, right? So this one right here, special offer. So as you can see, somebody's actually promoting this offer already. So this is not a coincidence. People are actually making money with these strategies. So now you want to click on write to write your own article. And I'm going to wait for my blog to be completed. All right, so it's ready. So let's preview it. I'm going to click on view. So as you can see, guys, this is our title and content inside our blog. Now this is amazing, guys. Look at that. So much content, including a video and so much more. This is awesome. All right, so as you can see, this is the power of AI. Now we can grab this exact blog post and start sharing it online and on medium.com. So all I have to do now is just copy the title, paste it inside Medium. All right, and basically copy the text and the images. Now to grab the images, all you have to do is just grab a screenshot. So Command Shift 4, and you want to grab it right there, like this. Now click on this plus icon and drag your image. Just like that. So now you want to complete your blog, copy, paste, copy, paste. Now you don't want to copy the FAQ part, so you can just leave this out. And now the last thing that we need to do is add our affiliate URL, right? So people can go and actually click on a specific URL and complete the offer. And to do that, we're gonna use ChatGPT. So head over to ChatGPT and you wanna search for something like write a call to action promoting the offer. So just like this, write a call to action promoting the offer, quick fortifying your XP in chapter 6. And I'm gonna click on make it shorter. So as you can see, level up fast in chapter 6, learn the secrets to quick XP boost in Fortnite with minimum effort, dominate the game now. I'm gonna click on copy, enter this part in the last section of my Medium blog post. Now I'm gonna hover over it just like this. I'm gonna click on add link, and I'm gonna click on copy link and paste it inside there. Okay, so you can add it here. You can add it in various sections of the blog post, so not just at the end, okay? Now once you've copy pasted your article, your images and the video, and you've added your call to action, now you can hit publish. And people, thanks to your SEO optimization keywords, will find your blog on Medium whenever they search for the keyword Fortnite, Fortnite gameplay, Fortnite glitch, and keywords like this. So there you guys go. This is how you can make money with CPA lead promoting various game offers like Fortnite or GTA 5. Now make sure to create more articles, not just one. You're not going to get rich overnight. Make sure to stay consistent, create at least 1 to 2 articles per day. Also make sure to use Pinterest and the syndication tool on SEO writing, the one I showed you. So when you click on syndication right here, you can see you're going to be giving a prompt. So create an eye-catching image with Fortnite characters and symbols, and you can just paste this prompt into a tool like, for example, DubDub, which is going to give you an entire AI video without any work whatsoever. So you can search for AI video generator, and there's many of them online, including InVideo, Deep AI, Deep Brain AI Studios, and you can give one of these tools like InVideo AI the prompt, right? You can just copy and paste the prompt once you have a free account in InVideo, and it's going to create a completely free AI video that you can publish to Pinterest and also promote your links there. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe if you're new. And if you guys are serious about making money online and you want to take your CPA marketing business to the next level, then make sure to sign up to the CPA Affiliate Academy school community. You can go through all of the courses inside, through all of the case studies that we have. As you can see, we have 5 case studies so far, with more coming soon. I upload weekly training videos. For example, 4 days ago, I posted this video right here. If you're getting impressions, but you're not getting conversions, here's why. 24/7 support, and most importantly, new course coming in January 2025. It's going to be published to my school community at a monthly price of just 20 bucks. This is absolutely huge, guys. Tons of value for a very small monthly fee. So I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.